Welcome to my channel. I am here once again with new video. Leo 2020 Monthly Horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Leo horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 is a good time for introspection and future planning. February 2020 is when you need to make complete plans instead of breaking your head over minor details. March 2020 is a good time for new romance and love relationships. Do not start something new on your career front. April 2020 is when you will come in terms with what is happening around you. May 2020 is an excellent month for the Lions to start new ventures and help others in social causes. June 2020 is a favorable month when you will face life with a smile on your face. July 2020 is when you have to grab the opportunities that come knocking on your door. August 2020 will be a favorable month when you will be full of new vigor and passion. September 2020 is a month for socializing and partying. Just don't overdo it. October 2020 will be a stable month which is peaceful. This is the right time to get back on your feet. November 2020 will be a good month for Leo students. Finances too will be excellent. December 2020 will be the ideal time to go on spiritual pilgrimages or vacations with your loved ones.